Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to create event planning templates in Notion in 2025 so you can manage everything from small meetups to big conference with ease. Start with an event planning template from Notion gallery or community. These usually include sections for event details, timelines, budget, guest list, vendors, and task checklist. By duplicating an item, you get a ready-made structure that covers the essential. Customize the template to fit your event. Add fields for venue, catering, marketing, and logistics. You can also track budget items alongside actual expenses so you know always where the money is going. Switch between views depending on what you are managing. A timeline view is perfect for scheduling milestones. A board view helps you track planning stages like to do, in progress, and done. From collaboration assigns tasks to team members, embedded contracts, or vendor proposals, and link your event page to related databases like marketing campaigns or billing trackers. This keeps all your planning materials centralized and up to date. And that's it. How you can streamline your entire planning process and avoid last-minute chaos with event planning templates in Notion in 2025. Thanks everyone for watching.